Mark, get set, go!
Oh, you're trying to be mean? You're trying to slice me, huh? Huh? You trying to slice me? Is that what you're trying to do? Trying to slice me? Oh, you want to get sliced?
Mike, you gotta come back out here.
Ah! As soon as I turn my back, she's a monster.
Eat him.
She hit it right from my hand.
Really?
You got it.
Do it to me on my drawing.
Oh, okay. Can't stab you in the nut.
Yeah, because it hurts my
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get him! Get in the belly! In the belly!
Is that how you are?
That was a good one, right, Mom?
Uh-huh.
With your little sword, I won't be able to handle my big sword. Stop it! My good thing. I broke the neighbor's sword. And then what you make mine is because look, if okay. Well,
I'll cut off your hands. You can't fight now.
But I think, Mom, if I say pause in the microphone, you say pause, okay? Did you hear that, neighbor?
Oh, the game is paused now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because they cut off your hands and your legs, huh?
No.
Oh, you ready to start yet?
So nobody can break this because if it broke and bam, there's not two swords.
Oh, yeah, we don't want to break the swords.
We don't want to break mine.
Of course not yours.
Well, we can break neighbors because it could.
You ready?
Oh, on pause game. Yell into the microphone on pause game.
That's a long video.
Unpause game!
Wow, why are you swinging so hard? Are you trying to hurt me over here? Why are you so mean? I think you should fight your mom. You're so mean with her.
Hold on.
Oh, sad.
Alright, game over. Hug it out.
No, pause game.
No, game over. Hug it out. All that means stuff, hug it out. Come on.
Now it's like, Mom.